Good morning, Standard 9 students. So today I am going to start the new chapter, that is rectilinear figure. In rectilinear figure there are two exercises. Second exercise based on the construction, that is remove this here from the board. So you have to study only one exercise, and that exercise, first exercise, based on the property of the parallelogram. So first of all, what is the property of the parallelogram? Main property by which, by using the property, we have to solve the questions of this exercise 13.1. So what is the property? The first definition of the parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelograms are equal and parallel. This you know. And parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, all these four figures are parallelogram, because in all these four figures their opposite sides are equal and parallel. So the square is also parallelogram, rhombus is also parallelogram, rectangle is also parallelogram. Then the property, right? First property of parallelogram, this parallelogram ABCD, diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other at O. Means AO will be equal to OC and OD will be equal to OB. This is the first property of the parallelogram. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. 8. Second, diagonals of parallelogram bisect the vertex angle in two cases, square and rhombus. Not in parallelogram, not in rectangle. So draw the figure of a square and rhombus. This is a square. This is the rhombus. This is a square. So diagonal bisect this angle. Bisect the vertex angle. So diagonal bisect the vertex angle in a square and rhombus, not in rectangle, not in parallelogram. Third, diagonals and opposite angle of parallelograms are equal. Opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. Mean this angle equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle. So if we write ABCD, then angle A will be equal to AC, angle B will be equal to angle B. So opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. Then this is a square, this is a rhombus. Diagonals of a square and rhombus in both figures intersect at 90 degrees. Diagonals of a square or rhombus intersect at 90 degrees. It happens only in two cases, when it is a square or rhombus. You follow this one? Then a square, ABCD, rectangle, this is the diagonal of the square, This is the diagonal of rectangle. Diagonals of AC is equal to BD. Here also AC is equal to BD. Diagonals of square and rhombus are equal. So diagonals are equal in two cases only, when it is a square or rhombus. Diagonals are not equal in rhombus and parallelogram. And this is the difference between the square and rhombus, because in a square and rhombus all sides are equal, diagonal intersect at 90 degree, diagonal bisect the vertex angle. Then what is the difference? The difference is the diagonal. Diagonal of a square is equal, whereas diagonal of rhombus are not equal. This is the difference. Similarly, parallelogram and rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. 8. Then what is the difference? Difference is the diagonal. Diagonal of rectangle is equal, whereas diagonals of rectangle are not equal. So this is the main difference. By using this, and trapezium, you know, trapezium, one pair is parallel, this is parallel, and another pair is non-parallel side. This is non-parallel side, this is parallel, and other side is non-parallel side. This is trapezium. Diagonal intersect at 90 degree in kite also. This is a kite figure. Right. So in kite also diagonal intersect at 90 degree. By using this property, we have to solve the questions of this exercise, and very simple exercise it is that you have to solve by using the property. A very few question is given. See the first questions, and you know the sum of total angle of a parallelogram is 360 degree. Well, only 4 angles are there, quadrilateral. So sum of all the angle will be 360 degree. This question, parallelogram. This is given 35 degree, this is given 77 degree, then you have to find this angle. 8. So when we see this triangle OCB, this is triangle. So in this triangle, 3 angle, this angle and this angle, this angle. Out of 3 angle, 2 angle value is given. One is 35 degree, other is 77 degree. So add these 2 angles, subtract it from 180. 92. Oh, sorry. 112. So what is the measure of the third angle? 180, 112. 8, 68 degree, this is 68 degree, and this angle is the vertically opposite angle, so this one is also 68 degree. 8. This is given 2x, this is given 3x, this is given 2y plus 2, and perimeter of this parallelogram is given 40. You follow? Then we have to find the value of x and y. Since you know the parallelogram opposite sides are equal, so this side and this side will be equal. So 3x is equal to 2y plus 2. Say this is equation 1. Opposite sides are equal. This is 2x, then this is also 2x. And sum of the sides, 2x plus 3x plus 2x plus 2y plus 2. This is given 40. The perimeter, sum of all sides. So 5 plus 2, 7x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 40. This is equation second. From these two equations, you have to solve it simultaneously and find the value of x and y. 8. So this one you have to solve. First 3x, opposite sides are equal. This is given 2y plus 2, this is given 3x. So this will be equal. From this we will get the one equation. And since sum of the perimeter is given 40, perimeter of any figure means sum of all given sides. So all sides sum 2x plus 3x plus 2x plus 2y plus 2. That is value is given 40. So from here we will get the second equation. So these two equations and find out the value of x and y. Thank you very much. Some more questions I will solve tomorrow.